Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm just going to get to it as per usual. For those who have just joined, thank you so much, and I hope you get some information from these videos. So this is how I am effectively and efficiently being able to gain more accuracy as well as proportions and speed while sketching and getting the fundamentals of art, which is the proportions, etc., for the foundations of your artwork. So first sketch took me all three sketches took me 3 minutes to complete, and beforehand that would have taken me about 5, 6, maybe even 7 minutes to get the overall sketch. So the fact that I am utilising different learning methods, which was actually I actually got them from my husband, and he utilised them for his career as well as university, and this is how I am utilising it for artwork. So in doing these and creating a feedback loop, a very quick feedback loop, you are able to assess where you went wrong, what you would do differently, and how you would rectify the mistakes going forward. So I have utilised observational and just geometric methods, and in doing so I have been able to these sketches, number 1, number 3, beg your pardon, are closest to the original reference photo, and in being able to do that I can then don't know where I was going with that, sorry guys, I've lost my train of thought. But anyway, so I've utilised observational and geometric methods. Good speed. Let me know what you think, what other methods you would use, what where you would go, and how you would actually maybe even draw the hair, because that literally took me maybe about 10 seconds, and I know you could probably tell, but compared to the hair that I used to do beforehand, that is a big improvement. So let me know what you think and get back to me. Bye!